Soderholm Mobility presents the Toyota Sienna ADA with a manual in-floor side entry ramp from VMI. VMI is the only van conversion company that offers a side entry ADA Toyota Sienna equipped with a manual in-floor wheelchair ramp. The manual ramp slides out using a handle fixed to the corner of the ramp. With a removable co-pilot seat, the wheelchair passenger has two location options, one up front with the driver and the other in the mid-row. The interior of this van allows for 360-degree turning, even for large power wheelchairs, giving passengers lots of free space to adjust. A single flip seat in the mid-row is perfect for caregivers to sit next to the wheelchair passenger to ensure safety and comfort for those needing constant care. When the co-pilot wheelchair position is not needed, the seat can easily be put in place using the ramp to get it in the vehicle and levers to secure it. Returning the ramp into its in-floor position takes only a few seconds, and you can be back on the road. Mahalo for watching. A mobility specialist is here to help you. Please call us at 808-834-1417 or email us at info@soderholmbus.com. You can also find us on the web at soderholmmobility.com.